Okay, next. Again, we come to exercise 4.4, quadratic equation. We'll continue. The question is it possible to design a rectangular mango grove whose length is twice its breadth and the area is 800 meters square? If so, find its length and breadth. So they are asking us whether this situation is practically possible or not. So let's move mathematically, and as they have mentioned that the length is twice its breadth, so let the breadth be x meter and length be twice its breadth, so 2x meter. Now according to question, they have given area. Now you know length into breadth is equal to area. Now length is 2x and breadth is x and area is 800. So 2x square is equal to 800. It is a quadratic equation in a way. So 2 and 800 can be cancelled. It is x square is equal to 400. So x is equal to square root of 400. That is plus or minus. That is plus or minus 20. So minus 20 is neglected because length or breadth cannot be negative. So x is equal to minus 20 is not possible. So therefore x is equal to 20 meter, that is breadth is equal to 20 meter. This implies length will be 2x, that is 2 into 20, that is 40 meter. So this situation was practically possible because if length is 40 and breadth is 20, their area would be a length into breadth, that is 800 meters square. So this was okay. Now let's see another question. Next question is the following situation possible? And the situation is the sum of two ages of two friends is 20 years. 4 years ago, the product of their ages in years was 48. Now, the present situation, currently their ages, the addition of their ages is 20 years, and 4 years before, the product of their age was 48. So, whether the situation is possible. So, since the present is the sum of two friends is 20 years, we can assume one friend, the age currently be x years, and second friend B will be 20 minus x, because when you add x and 20 minus x, the sum will be 20. Now before, according to question, before how many years? 4 years. So now before 4 years, the product of their ages was 48. So x before 4 years would be x minus 4, and 20 minus x before 4 years would be 20 minus x minus 4, and in that case the product, that is into, was 48. So this becomes x minus 4 and this becomes 16 minus x, which is equal to 48. So we can write this as x minus 4. We can take minus sign common so that we can use the identity, and I'm taking that minus sign to the RHS, that is minus 48. Now I can use the identity. So x square minus 20x plus 64 is equal to minus 48. So this becomes x square minus 20x plus 112 is equal to 0. So this is a quadratic equation which we have to either factorize or use the quadratic formula. So in order to use the quadratic formula, I will first calculate d, which is b square minus 4ac. So b is minus 20 the whole square minus 4 into a is 1, a is coefficient of x square, and c is 112. Okay, so let's calculate this. Minus 20 the whole square is 400, and 4 into 112 would be 448. This becomes minus 48, that is d is coming minus 48, that is less than 0. And we have studied that whenever d is less than 0, no real roots exist. So that means there will be no real number for it. This situation is not possible. Let's see another question. Is it possible to design a rectangular park of perimeter 80 meter and area 400 meter square? If so, find its length and breadth. Is it possible to design a rectangular park of perimeter 80 and area 400? Let's see. Let the length be x. What is the perimeter? Perimeter is 2 into L plus B, and it is equal to 80. So 2 into x plus b, that is 2 and 80 can be cancelled. So 40 is equal to x plus b, that is b is equal to 40 minus x. So breadth we have calculated 40 minus x. Now area is given, area is 400. Now area is equal to L into b. Now what is L? L is x and breadth is 40 minus x, that is equal to 400. So 40x minus x square is equal to 400. Let us simplify this. X square minus 40x plus 400 is equal to 0. I have taken all the terms to the RHS. Now we can split the middle term by minus 20 and minus 20, so that we get x minus 20, and x minus 20 is equal to 0. That is x is equal to 20. That means x is 20, that is length is 20, length is 20 meter, and breadth, what was breadth? 40 minus x, that is breadth is 40 minus 20, so which is also 20. That means length and breadth are equal. If length and breadth are equal, that is a square. The question, in the question they are mentioning, is it possible to design a rectangular park but it is a square? So is it possible? Yes, it is possible. Why it is possible? Although it is a square, see, still all the squares are rectangle, because squares fulfills the property of rectangle. What is a rectangle? Rectangle is a parallelogram in which one angle is 90 degree. So this square is also a parallelogram in which one angle, in fact all the angles are 90 degree. Opposite sides are equal, opposite sides are parallel. So it fulfills the property of all the properties of rectangle. So square is a rectangle. Although we are getting a square field, square park, that does not mean that situation is not possible. Situation is absolutely possible without any doubt.